Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now, momos are one of my favorite starters and today I'm going to share this lovely Paneer Momo recipe. Now I've made several recipes earlier, I'll give you a couple of links in the description so you can try them also. So let's get started and check out how to make these Paneer Momos. So I'm going to mix the dough for the momos. To the bowl, I've taken 1.5 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour. Just make well. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next add 3 teaspoons of oil. Just give it a quick mix. So just gradually pour water a little at a time and start mixing the dough. So make sure the dough is not too soft with a lot of moisture in it. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. So I've kneaded the dough. Close the bowl and let it sit for about 30 minutes. To make the momo filling, to the pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is heated, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, next add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup of finely grated carrots, 1/4 cup of grated cabbage. Just saute it for about 2 minutes. Add a few spring onion whites that have been sliced. Now I'm going to grate some fresh paneer. Grate the paneer and keep it aside. Add 1 cup of grated fresh paneer. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. If you don't have chili sauce, you can just add chili powder instead. Finally, add some finely chopped spring onion greens. The paneer filling for the momos are ready. After 30 minutes, we're going to start making the momos. Divide the dough into equal sized dough balls. Place one of the dough balls onto the rolling surface. Dust it with a little flour. Roll it out a bit thin. Make sure you don't roll it out too thin or too thick. Place a little bit of the paneer filling in the center. Starting from one side, start making the pleats for the momos. Just follow the steps like I've shown it in the video. Seal the momo on top and pinch off the excess. Once you've prepared the momos in this manner, next we're going to steam them. Fill the pot with water. Place all the prepared momos into a steamer. So I'm using a bamboo steamer. You can use whichever you have at home. You can even use the idli steamer, so that's not a problem. Close the pot and steam cook the momos for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's see how the momos are. Wow, they are cooked perfectly. You can see they're so beautifully cooked. Remove them from the bamboo steamer and serve them nice and hot with some nice momo chutney by the side. It's a perfect starter, or you can make it as a nice light evening meal. I'm sure everybody will love it.
So here is this delicious paneer momos that you can make in minutes. Just follow all these